Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 28 from the book of Deuteronomy. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Moses instructs the Israelites that if they follow God's commandments, then God will set them high above all nations. Moses provides a list of blessings that the Israelites could inherit if they follow God's commandments. Their city and country will be blessed. Their generations will be blessed. They will be prosperous in livestock and produce. Their going out and coming in will be blessed. Their enemies will be defeated. God will establish the Israelites as a holy people to Himself. The people of the world will see that they are God's own people and will be afraid of them. There will be timely rain. The Israelites will not borrow and will lend. Moses then provides a list of curses in case the Israelites don't follow God's commandments. In this chapter, we see that Moses gives graphic details of how they will be punished for their rebellion in case they choose to disobey. Moses states that the opposite of all the blessings listed above would befall the Israelites. In addition, they will be struck with madness, blindness, and confusion of heart. They will be taken by their enemies, who will show no mercy to the elderly and the young. They will serve their enemies in nakedness, thirst, and hunger. Such will be their distress that they will eat their own children. The Israelites will be left in few numbers, that is, in terms of population. God will dispossess the Israelites and scatter them all over the world, and they will serve other gods made out of wood and stone. They will fear the night and day and will have no assurance in life. They will be taken back to Egypt and will be offered as slaves, but no one will buy them. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.